Choose the correct replacement capacitor by matching the original unit's capacitance, voltage rating, and physical mounting to prevent damage. Start by reading the capacitor label and recording the capacitance in microfarads and the voltage rating exactly as printed. If the label is missing or illegible, use the equipment model number to look up the parts list or wiring diagram from the manufacturer and confirm the capacitor specification. When selecting capacitance, allow only a plus or minus 10% tolerance if the original part listed that tolerance. If the original tolerance was not specified, match the nominal capacitance value exactly. Match the voltage rating equal to or higher than the original. Never use a lower voltage rating because that will shorten life and can cause failure. Check the physical dimensions and terminal style so the replacement will fit the mounting bracket and wiring harness without stretching leads or stressing connections. Finally, choose a capacitor with an ambient temperature rating appropriate for the installation location, and, if possible, prefer units with a fiberglass or metallized polypropylene dielectric for longer life and lower loss. Common mistakes include choosing a capacitor with the wrong voltage rating, which can cause rapid failure and sometimes catastrophic rupture. So, always select equal or higher voltage and verify the printed volts on the part. Another frequent error is ignoring physical size and terminal type, which leads to poor mounting and damaged leads. So measure the original and confirm terminal style and spacing before ordering. A third issue is substituting a component with a different tolerance or dielectric that changes motor start and run characteristics. And you avoid that by matching capacitance and preferring similar dielectric materials while consulting the motor or compressor wiring chart when in doubt. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors by letting them search profiles and project examples tied to specific parts and repairs. We also connect contractors with potential work and host an active discussion community where members share tips about parts matching and installation.